What is going on, koi lovers? I am at the Mecca, Marusei Koi Farm, and just taking a look at all these beautiful koi. It is pretty unbelievable as I walk on this little walkway and try not to fall in the pond. But it's been a great trip so far, going around. Haven't done any videos yet, just kind of been chilling out and seeing what's out there. But we're just gonna do a quick tour around the main house here at Marusei. This actually used to be a swimming club back in the day. So it's a giant warehouse filled with koi with a giant filtration system there and just loads and loads of beautiful fish. If you guys are lucky, I might fall in while I'm filming this video. I hope not. But yeah, so over in Japan, it's empty. Usually, you know, fall, October, there's just dealers throughout the whole place. Bowling koi, buying koi, but I'm one of only a handful of dealers here this year because of the COVID situation still in Japan. They have really strict border entry restrictions. Lucky enough for us, the guys over at Koi Farm were able to get us our visa and host us over there. So really excited about that. And yeah, I mean, just checking out all these beautiful fish. It's insane. If you haven't, this is a must-see if you come to Japan. The fish here, so many beautiful koi. But enough of me talking. I'm gonna flip the camera around and just get some videos and pictures of all the fish in here. So if you see something you like in this video, circle it, screenshot it, send it over to me, and I'll be sure to bowl it up for you guys. In the meantime, just enjoy looking at some of these beautiful koi. All right, guys, so that is this area behind me. There is 6 ponds of just all Sansai, Yansai, Gosai, massive koi. And there's the filtration area. Wait, There's the filter for that pond there, and just the amount of fish they can keep in one pond here is insane. I'm gonna circle back around. I saw a couple koi that I didn't see walking over here before, and just some really nice stuff. It's hard to find, there's good fish in here, really good fish, but to find, you know, exceptional fish, you really gotta look hard and search, but they are in here. So I'm gonna hop over to this side now and give you a tour about the Nisei pond and the Sansei ponds over there and show you guys what goes on. And like I said, normally this place is packed full of dealers. This guy ships hundreds and hundreds of boxes of koi every single week right out of this facility here. And you know, fall time, harvest time, it just, dealers are here all day long, filling up cage nets. They have their own sold ponds and just getting stuff done. So it's really a sight to see in the fall. All right, guys, I'm on the main walkway now, which is just 2 pieces of wood. But the pond right here, this is the sold pond. So these are fish from back over there, and then there's cage nets. So what we usually do is if we're buying Nisei, we're gonna get a cage net, put our name in it, and just start marking down the fish that we're buying, and then we'll let the breeder know what we got. All these ponds here have some different pricing, which changes on the season and the kind of koi that are in there. But yeah, this is another sold pond here. So all these koi in there sold. These are all available, and you know, some nice koi in there. But yeah, normally, I mean, we're just filling up cage nets and bowling up fish here, but really some spectacular stuff and a lot of inventory. So and we have the smaller Nisei over here, and like I said, guys, fall time, this is bowls of things, people, every station, it's insane.